All right, I want to welcome everyone back. We've got Meredydd Luff, who is going to be joining us again for Python Web Conf 2021. I'm super excited to have you return once again as a speaker and talking about Anvil and the awesome things you've been doing in the community. What do folks have to look forward to from you during your talk this time?
So last time I actually talked specifically about Anvil, which is our platform for building full stack web apps with nothing but Python. And this time, you can't give the same talk 2 years in a row. I'm going to be talking about a sort of a class of problems that we encounter particularly heavily, but are pretty universal to anyone who is writing code that other developers will use, which is basically anybody with colleagues. And that's about abstractions, because we are creators of abstraction by profession. We build simple interfaces to complicated things. That's basically what software developers do all day. Now, Anvil is a particularly simple interface to a particularly complicated thing, which is all of the web and Python code. But everybody butts into the same problems, which is that the simplification is always incomplete. And so my talk is going to be about what happens when you butt up against the edges of those simplifications. What do you do? And how can you be humane to your users and in letting them enjoy the benefits of this simplification without completely coming unstuck once they need to do something that you haven't explicitly designed in?
Sounds like a great talk. I mean, even if that future developer is your future version of yourself, you're never coding alone. You've always got someone else kind of coming alongside typically. So that's a really good approach to that.
Yeah,
Excellent.
there can be no developer who has not sort of smacked themselves on the forehead and wished
Oh
that
my gosh.
themselves 6 months ago had designed this abstraction better. Absolutely, you are
Yeah,
firmly included.
that would be me too. I'm in that boat for sure. Awesome. Well, what are you yourself looking forward to during Python WebConf 2021?
So I am particularly looking forward to Daniele Procida is giving a talk on programming for fun, which, to spoil it slightly, is going to be against that being the only reason you program, which is sufficiently provocative that it provoked me into a good minute of trying to have the argument with him before actually watching the talk, so I'm very, very much looking forward to that. I'm also looking to catch my colleague Eli Holderness talking about a subject near and dear to all of our hearts, which is working from home in the middle of all of this while having a stereotypically geek-shaped brain. So that should be fun as well. And of course, the community interactions. I'm really appreciating the way that you guys have scheduled this year's conference to be more friendly to developers in global time zones. As you can tell from the accent, I will be presenting from here in Cambridge in the UK. And so I am hoping I'm going to be able to catch more of the social stuff this year than I did last year.
Yeah,
So those are
no,
my three things.
that's been a great goal for our platform is to actually attempt to allow for a 24-hour conference if possible. Folks can grab the sessions that have already played during the day. The Slack channels obviously are open 24/7, and we did find there were lots of interactions happening. By the time we woke up the next morning, we saw like people had like gathered and had interesting conversations. So I'm really looking forward to that as well. Well, Meredith, I
Cool.
really look forward to having you at Python Web Conference 2021. Make sure everyone gets their advanced tickets. They're on sale now, and we'll see you all there.
All right. I am looking forward to seeing you and everyone else there too. Catch you very soon.
Yeah, see you.